In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a playlist on YouTube. We're also going to talk about the benefits of creating a playlist and why you should think about creating a playlist for your YouTube channel. Let's jump on the computer. I'm going to show you how to create a playlist. Let's get into it. We're on YouTube at the moment and we want to go ahead and click on our little profile here and click on YouTube Studio. Now YouTube Studio has actually changed quite a bit in the past, so you may be familiar if you have created a playlist before to do it in a different way, but I'm going to show you the updated way of how to create a playlist. So you want to click on playlists here and it's going to bring up a new tab, and then we want to go ahead and click on new playlist. Okay, and then we're going to choose YouTube Shorts, and then click on create. This is going to bring us to the new page where we can actually go ahead and add a description, choose a different title, decide whether we want it to be public, and all of these things. Now I highly recommend making sure you do put in a description and treat it just like any other video you would be uploading, just to help people be able to find that playlist. I believe people can actually search for videos and a playlist can pop up, but generally you want to create a playlist for one main reason. It's going to help people to binge watch your content, and that's what you're aiming for with creating a playlist. You want to make it easily accessible to your viewers to be able to watch multiple videos on a particular topic that they're interested in, and that's why creating a playlist is really important. And you want to make sure that at some point in time you go ahead and you set up your videos in different playlists. Keep them short, no more than 3 to 5 videos, so that way it's not super long. That's going to disinterest your viewers because they don't want to watch 10 videos all on the same topic. They want playlists that aren't too long that they're willing to watch. They don't want to come across a playlist that is an hour long. That's really going to put them off watching that entire playlist. So you want to make sure you set up playlists that are no more than 5 videos to entice people to watch the whole playlist. When you're setting up a description, make sure that you do go ahead and treat it just like any other description. You want to make sure you put in your keywords and all of those kinds of things. In this particular example, we're not actually going to take the time to do that. If you do want me to do an in-depth, detailed keyword description, I can definitely look at doing that. I am planning on doing a video all about descriptions in a new video, just showing you guys the process I go through when writing my descriptions and making sure I've got all my keywords in there, and all the other information that I make sure is in every single description. That's going to help me in the long run to getting more views for that video. So we want to add some videos to this here. So to add a new video, we just click on this little 3 dots here and click on add videos, and that'll bring up our videos here. Click on your YouTube videos. And we want to run through the videos that we want to add. So we want to add some YouTube shorts. So we want to click on this one here, and we can actually choose multiple. So we're going to choose this one, and we want this one, and this one, this one, this one. Okay, and we want to click on add videos. Now you can change the order however you like. Basically the one that you have at the top will show as the thumbnail for that playlist. So for this one, I actually want my video about YouTube Shorts to be the very first video, and you can see here that pops up on the thumbnail there. And we want to make sure that it's nice size, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 videos is the absolute maximum. Generally I would only do 5 videos, but for this playlist 6 videos is going to be okay because all of these videos are YouTube Shorts, so it's only about 6 minutes long, which isn't really going to put someone off watching the entire playlist. But you want to make sure your playlist isn't too long. Probably don't want any playlist to be more than 30 minutes long because that's going to put people off watching that playlist. It is going to show them before they click on it how long that playlist is and how much time they have to actually put in to watch that video. So make sure that it's not too long. But setting up playlists is super easy, and that is all pretty much set up. So now if we go back to our channel dashboard here, and we actually click on customization, we can see here we can actually feature our playlist. And if we want to add a playlist, we just go add section here, and we choose a single playlist. There we go, YouTube Shorts, and that's going to show up on our homepage under YouTube Shorts. Right guys, that was a quick video on how to make playlists on YouTube, and also just showing you the benefits of why creating a playlist is really going to help you grow your YouTube channel, because it's going to get people to binge watch your content, and this allows you to put your playlist on your homepage of your YouTube channel, which is going to give people more reasons to watch more of your videos because it's easily accessible, and it's just really going to help get more watch time and more watch hours on your YouTube channel, which the YouTube algorithm is going going to see and start promoting more of your videos. So playlists are really powerful, so make sure you start setting up some playlists on your YouTube channel to really help blow up your channel and to get more views on your videos. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure that bell is turned on so you get notified when I post new videos. If you did enjoy this video, I know you'll love these other videos. Go ahead and check those out, and I'll see you over. Peace out.